So, ladies and gentlemen, this is all about how you increase the average order value of your e-commerce store. So, pay close attention and watch this video till the end because if you are a e-commerce store owner or you aspire to become an e-commerce store one day, then you would always want to increase your average order value from your e-commerce store. Okay. So now, first of all, what is the average order value? So this is equal to the total revenue from your store divided by total orders received. For example, if the total revenue from your store per month is approximately $25,000, let's say, and the total orders per month is 467. Let's say I have taken by the way, I have taken a very odd number just to give you just to give you a feel of practical scenario. Okay. And in this case, the average order value will be $25,000 divided by 567. It is $53. So you can pretty much say that on an average you're getting $53, $53.53 per order, okay, from your store, all sources put together. Now, obviously, as a business owner, as an e-commerce store owner, you would always want to increase your average order value because you would always want to make more money every on each and every transaction the people are customers are making on your website store. Okay, so here are the 7 tips from my side to increase the AOV of your ecom brand. Now, first of all, increase price. Now, this might sound simple, but it works all the time. Higher prices lead to higher perceived value, and which means eventually you get a higher AOV and hence more profits. Okay, now number two is provide bundle deals. So many times, I have seen many times this on e-com store, people making mistake, they don't offer bundle deals. So for example, what you can do is that you can club a couple of items, a couple of products on your website and make that as a combo offer and get 10%, give them a 10% discount. People always love to buy more when they get a discount. So that's a very tested and tried technique which works almost all the time. Now, upsell sounds simple, but not many brands are implementing this. So what you can do is that when somebody adds a product into the cart, you can show more products, and you can you can say something like, hey, thanks for adding this to the cart. You know what, you can add these two more products into the cart and make a purchase and get a special offers of 10 to 15% or whatever you want to give. Right. Now, next is add people who bought this also bought these or below on the product pages. So what you can do is that on each and every product page, for example, on each and every product page wherein you are showing a hero product on the top, and you are showing all the description and saying add to cart, just below that hero product you can say, people who bought this also bought below. You can add two more products, let's say B and C, and the hero product is A. So you can make a pre-made combination for them. Product A plus B plus C equals to this much, and this much is lower than if you would buy these three products separately. Okay, if that makes sense. So ultimately, some customers, not everybody, some customers will see that as a value because they are getting a on the spot deal, and which may be, for example, 10 to 20% off on the spot, and hence they would prefer to buy all three products in one go, and hence you will get more revenue per sale. Next is you may also like section. So similar to people who bought this also bought below, similar to this strategy, you can also add you may also like section on the product page. So what you can do is that on the product page itself, uh, at below the hero product and number four strategy, you can add you may also like section, and within that you can show a range of a range of the all the products from the same category. For example, if let's say you own a western wear e-commerce store, okay, and the customer is currently having a look on, let's say, a particular t-shirt, or let's say a particular hoodie. Okay, and let's say a t-shirt, I think that would be more better for a western wear. So let's say the customer is having a look on the uh, you know product page showing the t-shirt. So within that you can show more options of t-shirts with more designs and more colors within the same category, which is the t-shirt, okay, on the same product. So on the same page itself. So eventually what is going to happen, especially in the clothing industry, people love to see more options, okay, and eventually, many people would want to buy more stuff, so that way you get more revenue per order. Now, create order value minimum for free shipping. Now, this is something like, for example, I can give you a live example of a website called Aerocamp. So they have order value minimum for free shipping. So what they are saying is that, uh, get free shipping on orders above 500 rupees. So I'm talking about Indian currency. And if I'm, let's say you can say something like, free shipping on orders above $75. So that way, if a person has added something under the cart with a value of $50, some people would always stretch from $50 to $75 to make the shipping free for themselves, and ultimately you get $25 additionally without spending anything uh, on ads or anything like that, because the person is already there on the website. So I was giving you an example of a Aerocam, and you can see on their website it says free shipping on our pre-bird orders above 499 rupees. Okay, so that was just to give you an example for number 6. And now number 7 is you can create some exclusive coupon codes and show them not on the website, not for everybody, but only for the people who, let's say, who abandoned the cart for you, from you, or they are your existing customers. So you can send them exclusive coupon codes, or even show them exclusive coupon codes on your ads, okay, to a specific audience, obviously. And you can show them, let's say, coupon codes, let's say, get flat 10% off on orders above $100 or $75 or even $200, depending upon your product value. Okay, so in that case, some people will use that code, and eventually, and obviously, to use that code, they need to make their overall cart higher than some value which you decide. Okay, so you have a major control in that. And ultimately some people will come in and claim that offer, claim that coupon code. Okay, now, I hope that you like this video. By the way, my name is Manu, and if you need some help, scaling your e-commerce store with the help of paid advertising and e-commerce, give me a thumbs up and give me, just hit my inbox. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, just comment below and let's connect. Okay, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.